Hi, this is Hai Xiaowang, and today we're going to talk about removes duplicates from the software list 2 and gives the head of the software linked list. And we should delete all the nodes that has a duplicate numbers and leaving only leaving only distinct number from the original list and return the linked list sorted as well. We can just go through the example 1 quickly. And given the linked list 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and because there are 2, 3, and 2, 4, we should delete them and leave 1, 2, 5, which is like original orders in the linked list 1, 2, 5. And here, this example shows that it's possible that the duplicates happens in the first node of the linked list. So it's really intuitive to think that we can use a dummy head, which is use a dummy node pre to this current node here. So we can use 2 pointers to solve these problems, and we only keep track the prob pointers. We start from the DOM head, and every time we got the current node by prev.next, and we just check whether current.next, which is 2 here, is equal to the prev.next. It's like here. And here we found that they are not equal because the current.next is equal to 2 and the prev.next is equal to 1. So we can just, this is the first cases. So we, in those cases, there's no duplicates and we can update the prev pointer by prev is equal to prev.next. And it's like here. And in the second round, we got the current node by prev.next, which is 2, and 3 is not equal to 2, and still move that. And here come to the second cases where there is some duplicate numbers here. We found that current.next I just use nxt to denote for the current.next. We found that this current.next is equal to the prev.next, and so we just move the current pointers to right, and in this case, nxt is still equal to the prev.next. I use the prev.next rather than the current because there are some cases like that. There are multiple duplicates here, so we still need to move the current pointer because the current.next is just equal to the prev.next. So until in this case, the current.next is equal to 4, which is not equal to the prev.next, which is 3 here. So in this case, we should update the prev by prev.next is equal to the current.next. So we can imagine there's a line to point from the pre pointer to the current.next node here, and we should not directly update the prev pointer by move to the current.next because there is still a chance that after that there's a duplicate here, so which is in this case. So we just should double check whether this is also a duplicate. So then we can just get the current by prev.next, and which is 4. And we found that the current.next is equal to the prev.next. Here we can just delete them. This is prev. and found that the current.next is equal to the prev.next. So we just move it, and then we can just update this prev by prev.next is equal to the current.next. So in the next round, we will get a file as a current node, and current.next is equal to now, and it's not equal to the prev.next, so we can just update the prev by prev is equal to the prev.next, which is 5 here. So basically like this, and so it's just equal to move them to 4, and we got this, and we just return the dummy.next, which is just 1, 2, 5, and that's our answer. So let's just clear it up. And the first case is that if not held, we just return, and dummy head and prayer is equal to the dummy. And because we are supposed to get the current node by prev.next, so we should make sure that prev.next is not empty, and current every time we just get the current node by prev.next, and while the current next is not empty, and current next double is equal to the prev.next double current next, and we are supposed to figure out because there are two cases. The first one is that if the current is equal to the prev.next, which means that there's no duplicates, so we can just update the prev like this one, and else, which means that there is a duplicate here, so the prev.next is equal to the current.next. And that's it. We should return dummy.next. Hope it works. Yeah, that's pretty much about these problems. Thanks for watching.